Have you ever wondered how your phone knows your face? How does it unlock just by looking at you? How does YouTube know which videos you like? How can a game play against you and try to win? Is there a tiny brain inside your phone? Well, not exactly. It's something called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a smart computer program. It learns a little like humans do. It looks at patterns and remembers them. It doesn't have a real brain, but it can make smart decisions.
It studies information very fast.
And that's what makes it powerful. When your phone unlocks with your face, AI recognizes your unique features. When YouTube suggests videos, AI studies what you like to watch. When you play a video game, AI learns your moves and tries to beat you. AI is used in hospitals, in schools, and even in space research. AI is changing how we live. It helps us learn better. It helps people make smarter decisions, and it's only getting smarter. That's why learning about AI is important. Maybe one day you will build your own AI and change the world with it.